Ever feel your steering will fight back when you turn it? Or maybe it's just too loose? That's not just annoying. It could be a warning sign that your steering rack is failing, and ignoring it could cost you a lot more than just a repair bill. Today, I'm going to show you the 8 warning signs your steering rack is going bad, so you can stay in control, stay safe, and save serious money down the road. Let's dive in. 1. Excessive play in the steering wheel. If your steering wheel feels loose or takes too much turning before the tires respond, that's called play. A worn-out steering rack can cause this. Quick check. Start the car and gently move the wheel. If you notice a delay before the wheels react, yep, that's play, and it's a problem. 2. Stiff or tight steering. Ever feel like you're arm wrestling your own car just to make a turn? A damaged steering rack can restrict movement, especially at low speeds. Modern cars use power steering to make turning easy, but when the rack fails, it can cause pressure loss or heat buildup. Result? You're suddenly driving a gym workout. 3. Steering wheel gets stuck. Now this one's scary. If your wheel locks up or gets stuck mid-turn, it could be due to contamination inside the rack, like water or debris if the rubber boots are torn. Left unchecked, the rack can corrode and seize completely. Not exactly what you want happening at 65 miles per hour on the freeway. 4. Leaking power steering fluid. Spot a puddle near the front of your car? It could be power steering fluid leaking from the rack's O-rings or boots. Low fluid means harder steering and more wear. Catching this early can save you a major repair and keep your wallet from leaking too. If car parts had dating profiles, the steering rack would be the one that's quiet, reliable, until it ghosts you at the worst possible moment. 5. Weird noises when you turn. Hear clunks, knocks, or squeaks when turning. That's not just your car complaining. It could be metal-on-metal contact inside the rack or lack of lubrication. You'll especially notice it when turning into a driveway or hitting a bump mid-turn. So there you have it, 5 signs your steering rack could be on its way out. Knowing these symptoms now could save you thousands later, and maybe even your life. If this helped you feel a little more in control of your car and your money, hit that subscribe button. We've got more tips coming your way to help you drive smarter, fix things faster, and keep your money where it belongs, in your pocket. See you in the next one. Auto repair. Let's turn that wrench and own the road.